Welcome to Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. Today I am doing a classic candy corn nail, and then on my accent finger I have these cute little kitty cats and spider webs because I bought them last year and I wanted to use them at least once before the Halloween season was over. So for this, you need your Halloween stickers, and then an orange. I got it in Broadway Nails, a white, and a yellow. Also have a makeup sponge and top coat of your choice. Optional is my despite what the bottle says. This is my liquid latex. Best time to get liquid latex is Halloween, and then you just get the regular big bottle that you find at any Halloween store and fill it into a nail polish bottle. So make sure you pick up some liquid latex this season. Alright, so let's get started. I have started off with a few coats of the Broadway white as my base, and now I am going to paint around my nail with my liquid latex. And it only takes a minute or two to dry, so that's nice. Alright, while that is drying, I am going to go ahead and put on those cute little stickers. So I got my nice tweezers. I forgot to mention that. You don't really have to have tweezers. You could probably pick these off with your fingers. It's just a little bit easier with the tweezers, especially when you have one nail with latex on it. And I'm just going to pick up my kitty. And she's going to go on an angle at the bottom of my nail. There you go. And now for a spider web. And that will go on the opposite side at the top. There we go. My nail's still not dry yet, so I'm going to take some of my top coat while I'm waiting. And I'm just going to seal in that cute little kitty cat. Nice thick coat of top coats. There we go. Alright, so now I have my sponge, and you'll see that's the pattern we want to have on our nail. But this is all dry and gunky, so we are going to recycle this by cutting off the top layer and starting a whole new layer. Scissors are also optional. There we go. Alright, so now I am going to open all my bottles beforehand. It just makes things a little easier. so now let's paint on our little candy corn. It takes about 3 coats to do this. And we're going to do a stripe of yellow. A stripe of orange. And a stripe of white. Now some people will tell you to dab, but I have found, based on how this nail looks particularly, that dabbing is not always the best idea. So instead of dabbing, what I am going to do is I am going to roll. Press down and roll. And we will do that about 3 times. So we'll go with the yellow again. And then the orange. And the white. And once again, I am going to roll. Line up the yellow so that it is even with the yellow you did last time, or else the lines won't be straight. And then I'm going to roll. As you see, it's crooked. Okay, so one more time here. You've never seen a candy corn that's straight, though. It's always crooked. I'm going to bring the yellow up just a little bit. And roll. Now I'm going to dab the yellow on the end. This has been a problem with most of my nails, is that my nail is too short to fit the whole thing on there. But I don't think that should be too much of a problem. I'm going to bring up the colors just a little bit. And do another layer. I'm going to skip the white this time though. There we go. All right, now I'm going to take off that latex. These are not the best tweezers for that. You want regular tweezers, really. But I don't have any on me right now. There we go. And there's a nice looking candy corn right there. I'm just going to clean up around the edges. If I missed anything with a brush. And smooth everything out with a thick coat of top coat without a cat hair in it. There we go. Now we got a nice candy corn. So that is it for the Halloween nails this year. That's it for this time, and I hope you have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you next time.